Zika virus cases may have reached Europe and Portugal. 5 people tested positive after recent trips to Brazil. Authorities are keeping a close eye on these developments. CCTV's Dan Williams reports from Lisbon.
The Zika virus has exploded across the Americas and has been linked to thousands of babies being born with microcephaly, a congenital malformation that sees babies born with underdeveloped brains. Events in Brazil are watched closely in Portugal, given the close ties between the countries. But the concern is also shifting closer to home after 5 people tested positive for the virus after recent trips to Brazil. Vitor Lett of the Portuguese Institute of Hygiene and Tropical Diseases says the developments are alarming.
The great pressure is about the capacity of the virus to disseminate through a vast territory. So it's a real concern. The concern is real, and then the dissemination of the disease here in this European territory. But we have an advantage here because we are in the winter, so the transmission is very improbable here in this moment.
The World Health Organization's warning that the Zika virus is a health emergency that requires a global response has heightened the level of alarm for many, especially for those heading to South America. Although officials have cautioned against any kind of panic, the World Health Organization has warned that the virus could now spread to other parts of the world, with the hot conditions of southern Europe amongst the areas susceptible to the virus.
Based on previous cases that occurred here in Europe of other virus like chikungunya, we have cases in Italy, south of France, Spain, south of Spain. So these areas are there is this species of mosquito, Albopictus, that had adapted itself very well in these temperate climates. So it's a concern.
Portugal is currently far away from the front line of the Zika virus. But given the recent explosion, experts here know that could soon change. Dan Williams, CCTV, Lisbon.